everything that I do is unto you, Lord. How you hold me. Find a moment in the middle of a day, just a sporadic time, and just, it's even if it's not a sporadic time, but just find the time every day to just give God glory, give him praise, and just honor. He loves it when we worship him, you guys, and just thank him for what he's done. I choose to thank him in song, but thank him in, you know, whatever your art is. You do, Lord, I thank you, and I love you for bringing me through. That was just a little freestyle, y'all. Like I said, I need to worship and praise, and I just get in my moment with God. God is my peace. God is love. God is love. God is my friend. God is my friend. Lord, you are. The Lord is my life.